Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 27th March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 6, number 12, number 25, number 37, number 45, booster number 22. Today UK 49's tea time prediction first number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction first number 8, number 20, number 47, number 14, number 30, number 22. Join YouTube channel membership, like, share, comment and subscribe now.